Hello guys, in this video we will compare Cursor AI and VS Code to help you decide which is the best for AI coding. So let's compare both of them. Number 1, Interface and Developer Tools. VS Code remains the standard IDE for millions. It's highly customizable with extensions for every language and framework. On the other hand, Cursor AI builds on the familiar VS Code structure but integrates AI in a more native and responsive way. Number 2, AI integration. Cursor AI was built specifically with AI support at its core. It allows inline prompts, code generation, refactoring, and doc explanations, while VS Code supports AI to extensions like GitHub Copilot, but the experience feels more bolt-on than seamless. Number 3, performance. VS Code is more lightweight if you only run essential plugins. And Cursor AI, despite of being a fork, it requires more resources due to the embedded AI engine. But that trade-off brings tighter assistance. Number 4, collaboration. Both of them support live share and remote pair programming, but Cursor AI's suggestions feel more intuitive during collaborative debugging. Number 5, use case suitability. VS Code is better for general development and wide framework support, while Cursor AI is ideal for fast prototyping, learning, and AI first workflows. So, for final verdict, if you are deeply tied to traditional workflows and you want customization, you can stick with VS Code. But if you want AI baked into every coding step, Cursor AI is the right one for you. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.